Okay, and we're just going to film a very quick video, Gonzo style. People have asked me to do some comparisons with other figures, so I basically just got all the other Mezco horror characters. So we're just going to have a quick look. We can see height-wise, he's not that bad actually. I mean, you can definitely see Michael Myers and Jason are still bigger than him, which is, you know, how it should be. And he's definitely got a more slight body than, say, Ash here, who's also got a bit more of a chunk to him. And he's got better articulation in the body with double jointed arms. And they really do make a lot of difference, honestly. You can see there they are all standing together like some weird, fucked up family. Okay, and for those who are asking about his height, he stands at 6¼ inches. And here he is next to Mezco Cyclops, Mezco Wolverine and Mezco Batman. And here he is next to Fig MacGyver, here he is next to Marvel Legends Civil War Cap, and here he is next to SH Figure Arts Infinity War Hulk. And here he is next to ZD Toys Iron Man Mark 85 and Bullet Head's V Mask aka V for Vendetta figure. And just for shits and giggles, here he is next to the Comic Cave Hulkbuster. And here he is standing next to a whole bunch of Revoltechs. And finally here he is next to all my Spider-Men. Okay guys, that was just a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the comparisons. That should fill in a few of the blanks for you. Thanks a lot guys. Bye bye. Oh, and I nearly forgot. Get the fuck out of my cave.